In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image into a specific shape in WPS Office. Whether you're working in Writer, Presentation, or Spreadsheets, the process is consistent and quick, and you'll be able to turn any picture into a clean circle, triangle, heart, and more. Start by opening WPS Office on your device, then open the document, presentation, or file that already contains the image you want to edit. If the picture isn't in there yet, add it first, then continue. Next, click or tap the image to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see handles or a border around it. That tells WPS to show the image editing tools you need. Look along the toolbar for the crop option. On desktop, it usually appears when the image is selected. On mobile, you'll typically find it in the bottom or contextual toolbar. Choose crop, then pick crop to shape or shape crop. The wording may vary slightly depending on your version or device, but both commands do the same thing. They mask your picture to match the outline of a shape. You'll now see a gallery of shapes. Choose the one that fits your design, such as a circle, oval, square, triangle, heart, or a rounded rectangle. After you pick a shape, WPS applies it instantly, but you still have full control over how the image sits inside it. Adjust the image placement within the shape by dragging to reposition the subject or by zooming to crop tighter. On touch devices, use pinch to zoom. On desktop, use the corner handles to scale proportionally so the image doesn't stretch. Aim to keep your focal point centered. For shapes like circles and rounded rectangles, small adjustments go a long way. Pull the corners evenly to maintain balance and watch the edges so nothing important gets cropped out. If the result looks more like an oval than a perfect circle, increase or decrease the bounding area evenly until the preview matches what you expect. When you're happy with the composition, confirm your changes by tapping Done, Apply, or the checkmark icon. If you change your mind, you can always undo and try a different shape or reposition the image again. Finally, save your document to keep the shaped image. Use Save to update the current file, or Save, as if you want a separate copy for different layouts or sizes. That's it. Your image is now neatly cropped into a precise shape, ready to use in reports, slides, or any design you're building in WPS Office.